Okay, so we need to transfer the file from Excel to SPSS. So to do that, be sure that you have your this one ready. Your SPSS program should be ready. So I have done um, kanina. However, I need to redo it. So let me remove this one and then close this output so that okay. So from Excel, this is the Excel. You need to highlight. Okay, I will let you see this one. Okay, Control C, or you right click your mouse and then copy. Go to SPSS and then click the first cell and then right click. You can have two options, paste or paste with variable names. I don't know if it works in your SPSS, but for the students that I have face to face, this one doesn't work there. However, if you have this option, you can click it, paste with variables, so automatically the gender heading is copied here. However, if you don't have that option, you just click and then paste, and you will be the one to put the name, gender. Okay, and then redo for the ano. So if you don't have the option of pasting with variable names, you better copy all the values only. So you will exclude copying the gender name and then copy all this one. Then when you go to SPSS, you are to work on with the variable view. So example, gender. So look at this. Instead of copying it, you need to input it here. So type gender and then uh, you can only, or it is not needed to write any label para gamay lang pud imong tan-aw ng mga words later sa imong mga variables. And then the most important thing here is to put the values. So click this box with three dots and then you will be prompted with the value label. So 1 to represent male and then 2 to represent female and female. Add and then click OK. We go back to data view and I will let you see how to show the frequencies, okay, for just gender. So you don't need to count each one of them one by one to identify how many male and how many female, but the software will do that for you. So click analyze, descriptive statistics, then frequencies, then double click gender, or you can use this arrow, whichever is better for you or you feel comfortable with, you can use it. So double click and then statistics. You don't have to check anything here because this data is categorical, so hindi bagay magkuha ng mean. Okay, so and then chart, you can use pie chart or bar chart, whichever is suitable for your data. Then click continue and then click OK. So here is the so valid 120. However, there is a missing value here, and then female and male. Sorry. So if that missing, this one is 43, 52, and 68. So the total is 120. The missing system here is one that is not cleared. Okay, so take note. There is a dot here, so you need to clear respondent in number 121, which was an error lang kanina. Okay, so Again, analyze descriptive statistics, click frequencies. This gender is from here, double click it, click statistics. You don't need, click charts and then pie charts, continue and then okay. So you will be prompted with this output. Now there is no missing value because we have deleted or clear out the cell with a dot. So take note of that. And then male, female, and you have your graph here. Okay, so I think it's clear. Thank you very much.